Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a declined payment in 2025. The first thing you need to do is to check card details. Ensure the card number, expiry date and CVV are correct. Next is to verify your funds. Next is to confirm billing address. The billing address you entered must match the address associated with your payment method. Next is to contact your bank or issuer. They can provide a specific reason for the decline and help resolve it. If it doesn't work, you can try a different payment method. Use an alternative card or payment option. As simple as that. Now, payment declines are common for various reasons, including incorrect information, insufficient funds, security flags by your bank, or technical issues with the payment processor. When a payment is declined, the specific error code or message can sometimes offer clues, but contacting your bank is usually the most direct way to understand and resolve the problem. Double checking or enter details before attempting the payment again is always a good first step. For online payments, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If you're making an unusually large purchase, it might be worth informing your bank beforehand to prevent it from being flagged as suspicious activity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.